Presentation. My best friend. First of all, I would like to say good afternoon, teacher, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sreyoun Sivmi and I'm 13 years old. I study English in level elementary with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro Organization. Today I'm very glad to the presentation and my topic is about my best friend. I have many friends, but there is one who is very special to me. Her name is Marini. She is my best friend. Marini and I are classmates. We do many things together. We go to the library to borrow books to read. We go to the canteen to eat at recess time. When Marini brings food from home, she always shares it with me. My school bus once broke down and Marini asked her mother to give me a lift home. When I do not know how to do my homework, Marini is happy to teach me. Marini is very clever, but she is not proud. Marini and I like sports. We play badminton together. My best friend, Marini, is friendly, helpful and kind to me. I treasure our friendship and I think Marini and I will be there for each other always. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos.